Hi friends! Today we are going to learn English through story. Mastering Happiness, the Watermelon Lesson. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a wise, old monk. He was known far and wide for his wisdom and sense of humor. One day, a young and eager student named Sam approached the master and said, "Master, I want to learn the secret to happiness and success. Please teach me." Master Cito looked at Sam with a twinkle in his eye and said, "Very well, young one. But first, you must complete a simple task. Go to the market and buy the biggest, juiciest watermelon that you can find. Then, get it on your head and walk through the village without dropping it." Sam was puzzled but determined. He went to the market and found a massive watermelon. Balancing it on his head, he walked through the village with utmost concentration. As he passed by, people couldn't help but laugh and cheer him on. Some even joined in clapping and making funny faces. Finally, after a bumpy journey, Sam reached Master Sichu's hut. The watermelon was intact, and Sam was relieved. He looked at Master Sichu, expecting to impress for his accomplishment. But Master Sichu burst into laughter. "Well done, young one," he exclaimed, wiping tears from his eyes. "You see, the secret of happiness and success is simple. Just like carrying that watermelon. Life can be full of challenges and unexpected twists. But if you face them with a light heart and a sense of humor, you will find joy even in the toughest moments." Sam couldn't help but laugh, too, realizing the wisdom in Master Sichu's words. From that day on, he approached life with a smile, facing challenges with the same determination. He used to carry that watermelon, and whenever he left overwhelmed, he would remember the funny watermelon lesson and find the strength to keep going. You say in your life, embrace challenges with a sense of humor, and you will find that life journey becomes a joyful adventure, filled with laughter and success. But determined, don't take yourself so seriously. Whenever you feel down or defeated, remember something funny that once happened to you. Comment below from which country you are watching the watermelon lesson. I hope you enjoyed today's story. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Comment and tell me what topic you want to practice next. Have a good time everyone.